her way to the mail, proud and all out. But where are you now? Misunderstood, said she would help the ones that you could. No glimpse of doubt. you.